मतलब काम का सवाल है तो सीधे मैदान पे ही उतर आए। लेकिन जो नॉर्मल जो हमारी प्रिपरेशन होती है, मीटिंग्स होती है, ऑब्वियसली आई मीन ये नहीं कि कल बोले और आज जाग गए और सेट पे गए। तो जो नॉर्मल हमारी प्रोफेशनल जो प्रिपरेशंस होती है वो तो रही ही। लेकिन सच पूछे तो इसलिए हम यही कहते हैं कि आई थिंक कई सालों से हम ये सुने हैं हमारे सीनियर्स को कहते हुए कि वंस एन आर्टिस्ट ऑलवेज एन आर्टिस्ट, एंड that definitely rings true and I am witness to it with my own personal experience। क्योंकि कोई समय का गैप हो या ना हो उसका हम उसे नहीं पहचानते। और जो कला है एक कलाकार को उसे निभाने में ही जो संतुष्टि मिलती है, जो खुशी मिलती है, वो तो एक बहुत ही गहरी बात है और उसे लफ्ज़ में उतारना बहुत मुश्किल है, लफ्ज़ों में उतारना। सो आई थिंक दैट्स द सिंपलेस्ट honest way I could say it.
See, Z has entered cinema many times and with some success, some not so successful films. I personally made Gadar for Z, which Z backed some 10 years ago. Bhagmati was one of the animations. So we, as filmmakers, as a company, we keep on experimenting. And there were a lot of other films too which were made. But now, when we saw the total environment of the business of cinema and we saw the kind of things that are happening around, we decided to come in once again, and we were searching for something really as a first step. And when Sanjay narrated this story and we just got hooked on, and we thought this is exactly what we want to start with, and we are here to stay. We are looking at doing a lot more films, all types of films. Some will succeed and some won't, but that's fine. I think that's business.
मेरा एक रीज़न इस फिल्म को करने का ऐश्वर्या जी भी हैं, बहुत बड़ा रीज़न। और मैं आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड एंड मेरे लिए उनको जानना, उनको देखना करीब से एंड उनका काम करने का एक जो तरीका है, और फिर इससे ज़्यादा एक्सिलरेटिंग कुछ नहीं होता कि एक माँ अपने बच्चे का ध्यान रख रही है और साथ में शूट कर रही है। इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी। And yesterday we just finished, we completed the film, and it was a beautiful day, and it was a great experience. It's a kind of memory I will cherish, and I loved the experience.
Have made this Jazba what this Jazba has become. One person who's going to be entering right now, I don't want to really introduce her. It's not my right to introduce her. But let me just say that she's taken India internationally. She's one of the chief contributors to being one of the best brand ambassadors for this particular country, and the chief protagonist of Jazba, Mrs. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan.
It was an instant yes and an easy yes, and the what will be answered when you watch the movie. Very, very obviously. I'm sure you all can already get the feel of it with the trailer. The subject itself is fabulous because it's a wonderful thriller of a story. It speaks about a lot of things on a lot of different levels. Very, very relevant, very, very important, very, very meaningful, and it's the absolute language of one's heart. So it was an easy yes, and that coupled with the maker itself and the incredible team, beginning here with of course Irfan as you see, but an incredible team that we have brought on board.
I didn't think of Cobb at all. I was thinking of punchlines, and it's a Sanjay Gupta film, and I had great time saying those punchlines. My attraction was at punchlines. I wanted to deal with punchlines, and I love them sometimes. And in this film there are a few, and you will remember them when you come out of the theater. There's a point where one of my guy asks, Aishwarya comes and meets me, and she goes away, and he asks, "तुमने जाने दिया?" He says, "मोहब्बत थी इसलिए जाने दिया." जिद होती तो बाहों में होती.
It is a remake. I'm not at a liberty to tell you what film it is, but it is a remake of a Korean film.
Sanjay Gupta is directing a film. Is Sanjay Gupta centric film? It's not a
Absolutely.